Welcome everyone to What's Happening in Crypto, exploring all of the latest from the crypto world and beyond. Today's topic, what has been happening with XRP? The short answer, a huge amount of things in the last week in particular. The long answer, well, let's get into it. The class action lawsuit against Ripple is going federal. The XRP security lawsuit plaintiffs say that XRP should have been registered as a security and that Ripple Labs and its CEO have been manipulating the price of XRP for their own benefit. Moving the case from a state court to a federal court may prove to be a very clever move by the lawyers over at Ripple Labs, as it is believed that federal judges are perhaps more sympathetic to corporate defendants. While all of this may sound exciting and Hollywood has led us to believe that court cases are indeed exciting, the reality is that this will likely be played out over many years to come of boring paperwork and litigation. However, whether the ruling happens tomorrow or in 5 years, if XRP is deemed to be a security, it would be very detrimental to the entire crypto industry, as it would potentially wreck one of the biggest cryptos in the market. Moving on to a lighter story, XRP tipping is coming to Amazon's Alexa, thanks to a third-party app. The tip bot is super easy to use, as is evidenced by this short video here.
Welcome to the XRP tip bot skill. Here you can check your balance or send tips to your contacts. What can I help you with?
Send XRP to Tiffany Hayden.
How many XRP you want to send?
1.2 XRP.
1.2 XRP, correct?
Yep.
Do you mean the user Tiffany Hayden, aka Tiffany Hayden from Twitter?
Yes.
You want to send 1.2 XRP to the user Tiffany Hayden, correct?
Yep.
1.2 XRP has been sent to Tiffany Hayden.
Okay, I mean, yeah, that's cool. These tip bots are everywhere and they're going to be even more ubiquitous quite soon, but Alexa kind of creeps me out. Not because it's a computer, but because she is an Amazon product sitting in your house, watching, listening, waiting, plotting. Weiss Ratings Agency has gone on Twitter saying that they expect XRP to be listed on the Nasdaq in 2019. While they have included no sources to back up their wild claims, it would seem that XRP and Nasdaq would indeed be a nice fit for one another. While the XRP community has been holding their breath while waiting for the oh-so-magical COINBASE listing to bring XRP to more retail investors, a Nasdaq listing, if it were to happen, would be a massive boost for XRP's liquidity, as institutional investors would be able to easily move in and out of XRP. It is also noteworthy that the crowds are very different here in terms of who uses COINBASE versus who uses the Nasdaq. And obviously we need to still wait for some real confirmation from the actual parties involved for this to move beyond the rumor mill. Trezor's new Model T has expanded its exposure to a wider range of altcoins, listing among a host of other coins XRP. Great to see more security solutions on offer as always. Trezor has been trailing behind Ledger for quite some time in terms of adoption of altcoins, but this will be a welcome signal for XRP enthusiasts. Cred, a leading provider of crypto-backed lending, is now providing USD loans collateralized by XRP. This allows you as a holder to get cash for your XRP without having to sell the tokens. Such services, while coming with their own set of risks, do speak to the maturation of these crypto assets. Ripple is opening a new office in Dubai in order to position themselves in a strong position to be part of the Middle East markets. The power of the region should, of course, not be underestimated, as we have seen other companies making inroads there recently. For example, Stellar's Sharia certificate, which may not be a bad idea for Ripple to pursue as well. Japan's MUFG Bank and Brazilian bank Banco Bradesco have signed an MOU to start using Ripple software to send cross-border payments between Brazil and Japan. Of course, where else? This is yet another feather in the Ripple cap, but it appears that to start, they will be using Ripple's software solutions only and not XRapid, which uses the XRP coin. We do need to see a conversion of all of these banking clients from the X-Current software to XRapid over the coming years to give XRP real demand outside of just speculation. And look, it's Ripple. Haters are going to hate, and XRP has a lot of haters, but it is hard to deny the level of collaboration and partnerships that Ripple has globally. The challenge now is to convince all of these partners to start using XRP. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I would love to know your opinion on the current state of Ripple down below in the comments section. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell to stay up to date with what's happening in crypto. Join the conversation over on Twitter. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.